The CS7310P has an excellent air injection and dirt separation system. It starts in the flywheel, pulling air in as usual to blow over the cylinder cooling fins, but also injects air exclusively into the sealed air filter box. Dirt is separated from the incoming air at two stages. First is in the flywheel housing, where inertia sends it to the outer edge and eventually through and past the cylinder. The inside track of air is largely free of dirt and is diverged into a molded channel in the engine cover, feeding into the sealed air filter box. Before it hits the air filter box, the molded channel separates dirt a second time with a small opening on the outside track of the channel to be blown out the side of the saw. Once in the air filter box that is round, the air swirls around the heavy-duty pleated air filter, again keeping the smallest bits of dirt on the outside walls, away from the air filter, before it exits a channel at the bottom of the air filter box.